If you're experiencing payment errors on StockX, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your payment information. Ensure that your credit card or payment method details are entered correctly. Verify the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address to ensure they match what your bank has on file. Step 2. Confirm available funds. Make sure that you have sufficient funds in your account or that your credit limit is not exceeded. Insufficient funds can lead to payment failures. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using a different payment method. StockX accepts various forms of payment, including PayPal and different credit cards, which may help bypass the error. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to StockX customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error message and any steps you've already taken to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment errors on StockX efficiently. If problems continue, customer support is your best resource for further assistance.